Today, we're excited to showcase how to efficiently update material data in SAP using Process Runner for the MM02 transaction. This functionality allows you to change material details directly from an Excel worksheet, streamlining data management processes significantly. First, we'll demonstrate how to create a template in Process Runner for the SAP MM02 transaction. Open Process Runner and select New Transaction. Enter the transaction code MM02, which is used for changing material data in SAP. Recording the transaction. Click on Start Recording, and you will be prompted to log into the SAP system. Once logged in, enter a material number to modify. For instance, Material 100. Navigate to the Basic Data view, where you can update fields such as gross weight and net weight. After making the changes, hit Enter to save the data and complete the recording process. Linking Excel and mapping data. Next, link your Excel file containing the material data you wish to update. Ensure that the sheet name in your Excel file matches the one Process Runner is configured to recognize. Proceed to map your Excel columns to the corresponding fields in Process Runner. Verify that all mappings are correct, including the material number, gross weight, and net weight. Running the transaction. Once your data is mapped, return to the Home tab in Process Runner and execute the transaction by running all rows. You will need to enter your SAP credentials again. Process Runner will upload the updated material data into SAP. And there you have it. The enhanced MM02 material change functionality in Process Runner allows for quick and accurate updates directly from Excel, ensuring that your material data in SAP is always up to date with minimal effort. Please share your thoughts and suggestions with us via this email. Additionally, for more information, access the Insight Software product documentation using the link provided in the description.